Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft PowerToys step by step. If you've just installed PowerToys and want to take advantage of its powerful productivity features, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerToys from the Start menu or by clicking its icon in the system tray. Once the application opens, you'll see a list of available utilities on the left side. Each tool has its own settings page where you can enable, disable, and customize its features. Next, choose the utility you want to use. For example, you can enable FancyZones to organize your windows into custom layouts, use PowerRename to rename multiple files at once, or turn on Image Resizer to quickly resize pictures from the right-click menu. Yeah, each feature includes simple options that you can adjust to match your workflow. If you'd like to customize keyboard shortcuts, open Keyboard Manager and create new key remaps or shortcut remaps. This can save you a lot of time if you frequently use the same commands throughout the day. PowerToys also includes tools like Always on Top, Text Extractor, Color Picker, and Mouse Utilities. Take a few minutes to explore each one and enable only the features you actually need. You can always return later to change the settings or turn a utility off. For the best experience, consider enabling the option to start PowerToys automatically when Windows launches. That way, your favorite tools are always ready whenever you need them, and that's it. You now know the basics of using Microsoft PowerToys and customizing its most useful features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.